The civil services examination is not a test of what you know, but what is your ability and what you will contribute to the civil service. UPSC is emphasizing selecting those candidates who have the ability and dispositions to work in higher civil services according to the role based or competency based system of strategic human resource management. The ability and dispositions of a person are determined by his intellectual identity. A person's intellectual identity defines who he is in terms of intelligence, knowledge, attitude, capabilities, and strategic outlook. A person's intellectual identity is responsible for his outstanding performance. It is the intellectual identity that differentiates one person to another. In other words, a person's intellectual identity defines what he is able to do and what he will do. Therefore, the civil services examination tests candidates' intellectual identity to select the candidates who have the ability and dispositions to work in higher civil services. Hence, the civil services examination is not intended to test facts, information, theories, definitions, concepts, and fluency in subject matter, etc. The intellectual identity of a candidate is determined or shaped by right knowledge, higher order skills, and right attitude. Our core comprehensive development program develops right knowledge, higher order skills, and right attitude most effectively and efficiently to shape candidates' intellectual identity so that students can solve maximum questions correctly in the prelims examination to qualify it easily. In main written examination, it enables students to construct high quality answers to all questions that result in getting very high marks in main written examination. And in interview test, this program enables students to face interview with confidence and create high quality responses or answers to the interview questions. Our core comprehensive development program is based on a strategic and focused approach and applies the science of learning and the best practices to reduce students' time and effort and maximize their score in the civil services examination. Core Comprehensive Development Program is a complete preparation program from beginning to final for the civil services examination, and it will be completed in 52 weeks or 1 year. It is an online and scheduled program. This program includes 350 plus lecture videos, essential readings, various project and real life case studies, formative and summative assessments, private discussion forum, and facility of asking relevant questions to align its learning objectives, learning activities, and learning outcomes. Thank you.